In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and manage workspace settings in Trello. Navigating Trello's settings might seem a bit daunting at first, but I promise you, it's quite straightforward once you know the way. So, let's dive in and get you familiar with the setup. To begin with, head over to Trello and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you should see your profile icon or avatar. Go ahead and click on it. This simple action will unfold a drop-down menu, which provides direct access to various options. From the drop-down list, you'll want to select Settings. Clicking on Settings will bring you to a new screen where you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side. This is where most of the magic happens. In this left panel, you'll find all the workspaces you belong to. It's designed to give you a quick glance at what's available for editing and management. Among the listed workspaces, find your Trello workspace and select it. Once you have, another set of options will appear below. From there, you'll see an option labeled Settings under your Trello workspace. Click on it. This will open a new page where you can manage several aspects of your Trello workspace, providing you with greater control and customization. First up, you'll have the option to enable or disable Trello's AI or Atlassian intelligence feature. This capability can enhance your Trello experience by providing smart suggestions and insights, helping you streamline your workflow. However, if for any reason you prefer not to use it, you can simply switch it off with just a click. Next, let's talk about workspace visibility. Visibility settings determine who can see what's inside your workspace. Depending on how you collaborate, you might want to make your workspace accessible to everyone on your team, or you might prefer to keep it private. Adjusting these settings according to your needs ensures your workflow is secure yet collaborative. Furthermore, you have control over workspace membership restrictions. This feature lets you decide who can become a member of your workspace. Perhaps you want to open it up for all team members or keep it restricted to certain individuals. It's all up to you. Finally, you have a variety of other workspace permissions at your disposal. These permissions enable you to tailor what members can do within your workspace, such as creating boards or managing settings themselves. And there you have it. You've now navigated through accessing and managing your workspace settings in Trello. I hope this guide has made the process feel less overwhelming and more intuitive. Remember, customizing these settings is a great way to make Trello work best for you and your team. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.